Alright, hi guys, welcome back to PKFX YouTube trading channel. So this will be a market update. The market has already opened and I've taken a trade. This will be on GBPAUD when the market opened in the morning. Unfortunately, this one hit the stop loss. So I only risked 0.5% for this particular trade. I saw the confluences pretty much lined up when I entered the trade. But unfortunately, upon entering, the market pretty much decided to dump all the way down. So the stop loss was just hit, and this is a loss. I've updated the trading journal for this particular trade, GBPAUD. But now the good thing is the New York session has already started, and before the New York session started, this particular trade was moving towards the up direction. So this pullback is where I decided to enter the trade, and as you can see, initially had a little bit of push upwards, so things was going good, but eventually the market decided to reverse all the way down. So the EMA failed, the round psychological number failed, and the area of interest over here, this zone, this box over here also failed. We gotta keep watching this particular trade. This could have been a week out, but I also saw another trade which I'm lining up as well. So this is GBPAUD, but I do see GBPCAD for a sell as well. And usually GBP pairs tend to trade the same direction. So I think this is probably going to continue downwards. And what made me to decide to go ahead with GBPCAD is because of this very strong shift of structure in the 30 minutes and also the 1 hour candle. The 30 minutes candle was a buy over here, but eventually this candle that broke with a very strong engulfish candle kind of shifted the structure of the buy of the 30 minutes into a sell, lining up with the 4-hour sell as well. So the confluences over here is pretty high as well. So for this particular trade, I've decided to risk 1%, which is double of the previous trade. As it has better confluences, the EMA is above as support for 30 minutes, for 1 hour, for the 2 hours as well. All right, and the 4 hours, this particular candle had a strong break. So I'm hoping for this candle to actually close out below this 4-hour EMA as well. So this will be a strong entry. My entry point over here, since this had a very strong candle downwards, I'm expecting some sort of retracement, which is currently happening. So this is my exact entry point at 1.83950, as mentioned over here, with 65 pips of stop loss. So hopefully the stop loss will hold. But the overall plan for this particular trade, if you can see, the plan was a candle to break and then retest, which I kind of got it over here, the break and a retest and the confirmation that it's going to move downwards. So the pullback, which I expect to come close to this EMA to retest the EMA, all right, should be the entry point. If it touches, great. I'll be now entering this trade, and I can see this dome shape structure is indicating that the buy is weakening and now it's moving towards a sell. As you know, anything can happen, no financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, but this is the next trade that I've already placed my sell limit. So let's see how it progresses from here onwards. Pretty much that's about it. The other trades that I was looking at, this trade for Euro AUD still haven't played out yet. I needed to break above this area of interest to retest this 1.6800 round psychological number before I can consider a buy. CAD JPY went straight to the SL, so this trade is probably not going to work out, so I'm going to skip this one. USD JPY looks promising, so I'm going to move it up and continue monitoring. This particular trade, Euro GBP, well, this is where we closed out. This yellow line is where we closed out, but looks like the market decided to continue rallying upwards. The pullback did happen, but in the form of wick. It was a very quick wick, so there was no chance for me to enter. If you notice, it literally came to the entry point that we planned, but because it was a wick, it was extremely fast. I couldn't capture this trade, and it continued rallying upwards. If we managed to catch this particular trade, this would have been an excellent buy, but unfortunately we already missed out this trade, so we'll continue to monitor what happens next. AUD CHF, I don't see this happening. NZD CAD, I don't see this happening. Euro USD, I think it's probably going to hit TP. It's never going to give us the pullback. AUD USD as well already hit the TP. Now I'll consider preparing for the buy. Let's see how the market shifts over here. And finally, Euro JPY entirely dumped. It has nothing to do with what we planned. So this is also out. We are probably not going to look at it. There are some other trades that was cooking as well that also continuously dumped. So we couldn't place any trades or whatsoever. It's a good thing we didn't consider placing any trades. So this is the best part of waiting. I mean, for predicting what's going to happen and then waiting to see what happens. Most of the time it tells you that you're wrong by just dumping downwards, so you avoid a loss. So these are the trades that you avoided the loss because you waited for the proper entry. This particular trade, it didn't dump significantly, which caused us to enter, but unfortunately it decided to dump thereafter. So it is what it is. We are yet to see if it was just a week out or it's going to be dumping downwards. I believe it may have another push upwards, but now this is, instead of acting as a support previously, now this area is going to act as a resistance and continue downwards. But if this pushback happens, great, because that will allow us to enter the GBPCAD. Hopefully this pulls all the way up here to retest these previous structure points before making the downward move. So that's about it, guys. This is a quick trade update for GBPAUD and GBPCAD. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thank you.